So happy Monday.
Oh yeah, we are going into the week full force with the cold temperatures, the snow, and I have two sisters who live in Texas, down in the Dallas area and the Houston area, and they were in shorts about a week ago. So this is even more of a shock to the system, to them, and I want to talk about more in the way of what's heading our direction up from there. We have this combination of winter storm warnings and ice storm warnings that are in effect until tomorrow. Now the ice storm warning down in Athens County, that goes until tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. But that won't be the end of our icy threat that'll be out there. It'll just be end of the new precip heading our way. Similar story for this winter storm warning, which is really encompassing most of the state of Ohio, the exception of course being that far southeast corner where ice is going to be the bigger problem. What we have with this big area of pink with that winter storm warning will be not only some fresh snowfall making things very slick, but a chance for a brief wintry mix which could even make things icy. Now the live VIPIR radar, it is showing a much calmer picture compared to this morning. We're actually just seeing almost a little bit of false hope from this because we have a few flurries out there. They're so fine that they are not being showed up or being picked up by the radar. It looks like maybe toward Dublin we have a little area, some light snow being picked up. But you can really see that chance for some flurries of those really fine snowflakes blowing around better outside with our cameras. So the Winter Nation camera showing not only a few flurries flying around, but a little bit of a lack in visibility. Out by the airport, they're reporting around a 6-mile view in front of you out on the road. So that's a little less than that 10-mile or unlimited visibility. It does look like conditions down on the road, though, have been improving. Not only is the visibility looking all right down where the cars are moving around, but it does look like most of those main streets have been cleared off. Still want to remind you, though, that when we have temperatures this cold, untreated surfaces, like especially those side streets or your sidewalk, they're going to remain snow covered and potentially even icy as long as those temperatures are below freezing. And right now we're 23 degrees, feeling more like 11 when you factor in this north to northeasterly wind, and we'll keep that cold wind in place with gusts at times close to 20 to 25 miles per hour through the day today and even overnight. The reason I was saying it almost gives us that false hope that we're done with the snowfall is because this is just round one of the snow that's been thinning out throughout the morning. Round two, working its way from states like Missouri, Arkansas, and like we were just telling you, it's not just the snow that they're dealing with, but temperatures just barely above that freezing mark in the air, but still cold at the surface, giving them sleet and freezing rain. Pinpoint forecast showing that if you have anywhere to go between now and 2 o'clock will be your best chance to see the dry conditions. As we head toward the evening commute, though, that's where we start to see snow and even that chance for some ice and freezing rain building in by about 4 o'clock. 4 to 6 o'clock, that freezing line kind of retreats back down toward areas like McConnellsville, Logan, Athens. That'll be your best opportunity to see upwards of about 1/4 inch of ice, and then snow showers and even that wintry mix really doesn't thin out until tomorrow morning. And snowfall totals, these are going to be on the high side. We're talking about between the next 24 hours seeing up to about 7 inches of snowfall here in the Columbus area, and of course our bigger concern down to the south and east where they're watching for the potential for ice. Then next couple of days, really not looking too much better. We are going to see some very cold temperatures, and then Andrea, Thursday watching for another winter storm heading our way.